pressure on this section is critical.
I agree. The coupling is completely fused. We can't move it yet.
Keep clearing that section, Omar. Lena, check the thermal readings on the sealant. We need the access panel now.
Piston Assembly 4 has a significant fracture.
Confirmed. Scanner shows total structural failure below the ice line. Component scan complete, marking this entire section as a weak point.
Acknowledged. The structural integrity is failing.
Minus 70 and still dropping. The sensor's icing over.
We've lost the primary gauge. Activate the thermal lance now.
Push, Omar, push! We almost got it! The stress levels are critical, Rafi. We have to stop.
The needle is moving. We have pressure fluctuation at 0-1.
It's surging, but it won't hold. The circuit's open somewhere downstream.
Okay, let's trace the main line. Get that panel off. Easy now, Lena. Watch the pressure release.
Got it, Rafi. Valve's turning.
Pressure is critical. We have to stabilize the engine.
Acknowledged. Adjusting flow regulators.
Frost hauler 01 is stable. We have success.
Confirmed, Rafi. Monitoring pressure now. Increase the power now. Keep watching those anchors, Lena. It's starting to move. Hold it steady, she's about to break! Stand clear, massive displacement. We have movement, secure the area. All right, it moved. Stabilize the rails now, quickly. We can't risk another shift in this wind. Set the jacks. Increase power. Check visibility. The coupling on carriage 4 is icing up again. Ice thickness is critical near the drive shaft. We need to stop it.
Vibration is subtle but consistent. We're seeing stress fractures near the mouth plating. Structural integrity is failing.